So this is your handbrake assembly. This is your handbrake light switch and relay or whatever. And these two in here pretty much just bolt into the back of the firewall in those two. And then on the other side, in the engine bay, through here, your handbrake cable is held in by this little roller and these two, like that. Sometimes these can get stuck, but there's a bit of a, they're a bit of a stuff around to get out, so I'll show you how to get it out and put it back in. So this here is the end of the handbrake cable. It's got that little ball on it, but I've got a brand new one that I'm going to put in, so I just cut mine out because it was easier. So these clips here, or levers, you got to pull that one in to push down to get the rest of that out, and then that ball should just fall out. It's a bit of a mess around, like muck around underneath the car, so I just took it out and redid it, and I'm going to do the rear one as well. Got a brand new front handbrake cable here from DriveTech and 4x4, and the rear. Wrong end. That was easier than I thought, eh? It literally just clipped in. But you got to pull that back, this back one, and push it down as far as you can. It's like a bike cable. Literally just so it slots into there. And then you can feed that through the car, back through the firewall, and bolt it up, which I'll do soon. After I put that in, I've got all this to put back in. This is like the handbrake spring. I've repainted all of them, all like the clips and stuff. So I have to put them in after that. The new one's a bit skinnier than the old one, but new should be better than 32 years old anyway. Anyway, you just feed your handbrake cable back through. And then I go like that. Just relay faces upwards, and then you get the gist of it, and you just put it back into your holes. And then you go around and tighten them up on the other side, and then you're done. You feed the round roller thing over first, and then you put your roller underneath and put the thing through. But yeah, look at that, I fluked getting it in anyway.